Today we are on our anniversary getaway. Look more excited than that. We are so excited. We are kid-free, celebrating our 13-year wedding anniversary. We are here in Columbia, South Carolina. It's about an hour drive for us, and we are about to go eat lunch at, what's the place called?
Gourmet Shop.
The Gourmet Shop, and we're gonna look around. They have like, apparently like food and like grocery items, and they also have like a restaurant. So we're gonna try that, and then after that we're gonna check in at our little B&B. It is about 30 minutes outside of Columbia, and they have like a pool and things like that. So we're just ready for some rest. We want like uninterrupted, kid-free sleep and lots of food. That's basically gonna be this whole video. I told Zach, I said I'll take some videos and just to see if I end up having any like usable content, but it may just be all just us sleeping and eating, and that might not be interesting, so this may not even end up being a video, but we will carry you along for what we do.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere.
Lunch was so good. That place is just awesome. It's really cool. They have like all of these different like kitchen appliances and kitchen gadgets and preserves and like salts and spices and teas, and the food itself that we ate was so good. It was very fresh. I did try the shrimp salad and it was a little bit too fishy for me, so he brought me the chicken salad instead, and that was really good. So highly recommend going there if you are in the area. It was definitely worth it. It was so good. So I made a quick stop into Hobby Lobby because their spring stuff 75% off, and I found this bench and this little colander thing. I'm so excited. They have some really good stuff on clearance. So hit up your Hobby Lobby.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread?
I am super tickled about this little bench slash stool. I'm gonna use it in my kitchen when the kids help me bake things. I think it'll be perfect. And I got this little tote thing. It ended up being $2. I'm gonna put it, hold towels in it in my linen closet.
Wonder if you think about me like I think of you. Wonder if you dream the way I do. When you look at clouds, do you see faces as I do? Do you get caught by your own thoughts like I do? Wonder what would happen if I showed these words to you. Wonder if you laugh at my simple poetry. Or even worse, would you look at me with pity in your eyes, saying I'm great, that you would like to be my friend. 'Cause you got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you. I see you staring at the shadows on the wall. Wonder if you think about escaping. Or do you like the way the sun is dancing in the fall? Maybe you find some peace of mind, maybe not. If I had courage.
Okay, we got to our bed and breakfast. We are like blown away. This place is beautiful. The owner has thought of everything. She's the nicest lady. Her and her husband live here. It's called Four Oaks in Camden, South Carolina. The attention to detail here is like, has like blown us away. It's just, everything is like super nice, and just wait till you see the pool area.
You got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you. Even I know we're not supposed to be as close as I want to be.
I may or may not have eaten that entire chocolate chip walnut cookie, y'all. I really do think it was the best cookie I've ever eaten. Maybe it's because I got to eat it all by myself without little ones at my feet begging for all of my bites. So that was wonderful. But oh my goodness, it was so good. And the lady here that owns this place makes them homemade. And they are like, I'm gonna beg her for that recipe. They are so good. And they're like the size of my face, like they're gigantic. I'm sitting out here on our veranda, just enjoying the quiet. It's so beautiful out here. You hear all the nature. Zach has been napping for like hours. I'm not a good napper, so I have not napped. I'm a little bit jealous of him right now. But anyways, tonight we have dinner reservations to like this really nice steakhouse. So the plan is to go over there and eat dinner. It's only like 5 minutes away. And then we're gonna come back here and hopefully get in the pool this evening when it cools down some. It is so hot. It is like 90 degrees. I keep going inside, and then Zach has it on like 68 in there, and I get freezing cold. So then I come out here and then I get really, really hot. So I'm just going back and forth. Anyways, I'm just sitting here scrolling on my phone. I'm about to do some reading, probably gonna read my Bible. Maybe do a little bit of meal planning. I brought my home binder with me. If you've seen my YouTube video about how I use my home binder and my like cleaning routine and all that, you'll see that. But he's finally alive, and he's eating the famous cookie too. This lady needs to patent these. They are the best cookie you've ever eaten.
Close.
My heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if
we are here at the restaurant, we are eating at like a steakhouse tonight. It's called Sam Kendall's, and Zach is ready to get him a steak. The lady at the B&B said this place is really good, so we are gonna give it a shot and see how it is.
the shadows on the wall, wonder if you think about escaping. Or do you like the way the sun is dancing in the fall?
Oh my word, that was some of the best food we have ever eaten in our entire life, right?
Yes, very, very good.
Oh, we are so full. I feel like actual sickness. Like, I felt actual pain in my stomach from eating so much. It was so good. I had the shrimp and grits, and then Zach had some type of like Caribbean like steak. So good. If you ever are in Camden, South Carolina, that restaurant is an absolute must.
Shine so bright, I wish that I could close my eyes and drift into a comforting sleep as I lie here beneath my sheets, thinking about what could have been and all the moments that I've missed.
Puffy face. I did not sleep that great last night. I always do that when we're in a new place, but we are drinking some coffee out here on the veranda. We had a beautiful night last night at dinner, and then we came home and got in the pool and enjoyed that, and then we watched some TV and we went to sleep, and it was wonderful. And then this morning they made us the most delicious breakfast in this beautiful dining room, and so we so enjoyed that. And we're gonna sit here and do some devotions and sip some more coffee and then head out in a minute. And we're gonna hit up a few thrift stores, some bookstores, I think, before we head back to the kiddos. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for joining us on this little anniversary getaway. So important to make that time for one another, to strengthen your marriage and get away and just be the two of you. It's our biggest marriage advice is to keep God at the center of it. Keep date nights a priority and put your spouse before yourself. So thanks for joining us, guys. Until next time, bye.